How do we deal with the names of Allah? How can we interact with them? The names of Allah, the Prophet ﷺ, somebody asked him, if I'm dressed nicely, I'm wearing Louis Vuitton and Gucci, and I'm wearing nice clothes, branded clothes, looking nice and smelling nice, does this mean I'm proud and arrogant? The Prophet ﷺ said, no. Inna Allah jamilun. Allah is the most beautiful. Yuhibbul jamal. He loves to see beauty. This is the first thing. When Allah has a name, He loves to see His creation trying to have some of that quality in their lives. If Allah is the most beautiful, He loves to see people trying to be beautiful. If Allah is the most patient, He loves to see you trying to be patient with your husband, with your wife, with your children. When they irritate you, when they annoy you, you are patient. Allah loves to see that. If Allah is Ar-Rahim, the most merciful, He loves to see you being merciful to those who wrong you, to those who hurt you, to those who belittle you, to forgive them, to be merciful from them. What does Allah say in the Quran? وَلْيَعْفُوا وَلْيَصْفَحُوا. Forgive and forget. أَلَا تُحِبُّونَ أَن يَغْفِرَ اللَّهُ لَكُمْ. Wouldn't you like for Allah to forgive you as well? Do to others as you would like Allah to do to you. So this is the first way. We should learn from Allah's names how to behave with others and how to be in this world. The second thing, Allah tells us in the Quran, call upon me using my names. And this is a skill. And we can learn this skill, and we will do this every lesson. We are going to bring a dua of the Prophet ﷺ or dua from the Quran where they use this name of Allah to speak to Him. Because they use it in the right way. They use it in the correct way. I'll give you an example. The Prime Minister, the Queen, or the Prime Minister, let's say. The Prime Minister drives a car, right? So it's fair to say the Prime Minister is a driver, right? But if you want something from the Prime Minister, you're making a request. Would you call him, hey driver, can you give me some? You wouldn't, right? How would you call him? Your Majesty, Your Eminence, Sir, Madam, with respect. So every name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has a place and a time to speak to Him with. Correct? For example, my mother. I can call her Mama. I can call her Ummi. I can call her my beloved. But usually I will not call her darling. This is something that usually husbands will call their wives. Right? There are certain things the husband would call his wife, and certain things a child will call their mother. So, same person, they have multiple names. People know them by different names. And so you choose the right name for the right situation. When my mother is angry with me, she does not say, Hish, Abu Yusuf. She says, Hisham. Hisham Ja'far Ali. What are you doing? Full name. The full name comes when I know she's angry with me, I start to run. Yes? So every name has the correct situation. This is just, when we give examples in our day-to-day life, this is just for us to understand, taqreeb. Allah is beyond all of these human interactions. Lillahi al-mathalul a'la. But it's the same thing. When Sulaiman alayhi salam asks Allah to give him a gift that he has given nobody else, he says, Innaka antal wahhab.